know, even if it's raining, you can't beat getting a fresh papaya.
The girl living right next door offered to prepare the papaya for me in the traditional Thai way. She makes heaps of cuts into the papaya using a knife and then simply shreds it away to produce these delicate strands of sour papaya. Just perfect.
This is a traditional rice shed where they store the rice that's harvested in the village, and we thought it'd be a perfect location to cook the Som Tum. Som Tum is one of the most commonly eaten salads in Thailand. All throughout Thailand you'll find this. It's a really easy dish to make. Okay, we start with some garlic and some chilli. And we just bruise it. Don't crush it into a paste. Just open it up so the flavour starts to come out. Then we add, I've got the rooster here, he's keeping me company. We add some of the palm sugar, life in the village. Just smooth that out. We add some of the beautiful papaya, green papaya, nice and firm, crunchy, slightly sour, not sweet at all. Then we add some of these small salted crabs, 1 or 2 depending on how you like it, and don't crush them too small, just break them in half and let the juice come out. We have the dried shrimp to add a nice chew, some toasted peanuts, baby peanuts are best, and then we add some diced tomato, large diced chunks, bruise that just slightly. And then to balance the palm sugar we put in, we've got some fresh lime juice, about 1.5 limes, and some fish sauce, about 1.5 tablespoons again. Bring that together and one last pound. We'll just taste the balance there. It's great. Okay. Now we take a plate here, got some cabbage on there, and we've also got a little bit of the snow bean that we picked in the garden here in the village. And then I want to finish that off with one of Mum's soft boiled duck eggs. Easy village food, simple, eaten every day.